Fishing birds. Fishing birds, also known as piscivorous birds, are a group of birds that have specialized adaptations for catching and feeding on fish. These birds have evolved various techniques and behaviors to successfully capture fish from different aquatic environments, including rivers, lakes, coastal areas, and oceans. Here are some examples of fishing birds. Osprey. Ospreys are large raptors that are well known for their fishing abilities. They have reversible outer toes and spiny pads on the soles of their feet. Which help them grip slippery fish. Ospreys can hover above the water and then dive feet first to snatch fish from the surface. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are small to medium-sized birds. With a distinctive appearance and behavior. They have a long, sharp bill that they use for diving into the water to catch fish. Kingfishers are known for their rapid and precise dives, and they can also hover briefly before plunging into the water. Pelican. Pelicans are large water birds with a unique pouch-like beak. They use their pouch as a net to scoop up fish while swimming near the water's surface. Once the pouch is full, the pelican tilts its head back to drain out the water. And then swallows the fish whole. Heron. Herons are tall wading birds found near water bodies. They have long legs, a long neck, and a spear-like bill. Herons stand patiently at the water's edge or wade slowly in search of fish. Once a fish comes within striking distance, the heron strikes quickly with its bill to catch its prey. Cormorant. Cormorants are medium to large-sized aquatic birds. They have a long neck and a hooked bill. Cormorants are excellent divers and swimmers. They dive underwater to pursue fish and use their feet and wings to propel themselves. Cormorants have less buoyancy than other water birds. allowing them to swim deeper and stay submerged for longer periods. These are just a few examples of fishing birds, and there are many other species around the world that have evolved unique adaptations for catching fish. Please subscribe our channel.